Good day, YouTube. 7th of April, 2023. And this is going to be a short video. This is a grass shoot off of a riding mower deck. And you can see it's got two fractures in it where, they run into a tree or hit it loading it on a trailer or whatever. And it's broken. And I'm restoring the deck on this riding mower. And let's just fix these real quick. It won't take very long. It might make an interesting video, and we'll go from there. So we're just going to kind of weld this back together with a soldering gun. And you can see this side is a little higher than the other side, so I thought I'd use these long reach vice grips to pin that down. See if we can make that happen. It's right there on a bend, so it's not the most convenient place, but I think this will work. Tighten them up a little more. I want to be right in the middle of that. Yeah, there we go. Pin it. There we go. And then we'll start this process. Let me move you over here a little bit, out of harm's way. There you go. We got Autumn here today. Morning, Autumn. Can you tell everybody good morning? Autumn Bear. Good morning, everybody. Yep, she's my helper. Okay. I don't know why, but things seem to go easier when I have my girls. So we're using a 140 watt solder gun, and if we need it, I grabbed a tie wrap, and we could use this tie wrap as filler rod. So you got to get this gun real hot, so as soon as I picked it up I hit the button. I can never remember if the first click is high or the second click is high. I almost think the first click is high. Anyway, it's a smoking. It is a smoking. So we're just going to weld it almost like you'd MIG weld. And we're just going to use a back and forth motion as we're melting it. And we'll use a little filler if we need it. Even if I don't need it on this back side here or in the center, I'll just show you, that we'll melt this thing in there. So keep this thing as hot as you can keep it. You can see it's already black because I've been welding other things with it. I keep it separate from my ones that I actually use for soldering. So we'll put that one down, the tie wrap down for now, and then let's just start melting away. Again, we're going to work it kind of a back and forth in an S kind of pattern. And then we'll go hit it from the underside. Doesn't take long. You can kind of sand it when we're done. Let's go back over it real quick and see if we can improve its finish. Yeah. There we go. Now we'll do this back side. We'll try the filler rod in the center there when we remove the clamp. Again, you're trying to bring a little melted ABS to the center to give it a little strength there. Okay. It's not bad. We'll pop the clamp off there now that it's cooled a minute. Come on, clamp. Cooperate. Okay. Now we'll use a little filler, just, we got a little gap there. This thing has cooled off for a minute, so we're going to hold it on for a minute or so until we she smoke. Got some smoke. Okay. Start the old melting process again. Ooh, she's making noise this morning. So adding a little filler there. Now we're going to come back over it again and try to improve its appearance. Okay, there's our repair. Let's flip it over on its back side. We're gonna have to clean that up a minute. So let me clean that up there and then we'll get in there. My brush has had it. All right, let's do that one. Warming up the gun. All right. Kind of like watching paint dry, isn't it? Now we're going back over it to improve its appearance. Trying to grab the ABS from the sides and bring it to the center. Probably could have cleaned that a little better. Yeah, well. There we go. Let's do that other one. Let me get the clamp on that thing. Alright, got the solder gun all heated up. Now we're going to try to bring that stuff back to the center, make it look a little better. Alright. Alright. We'll let that cool off for a second before we pull the clamp to and such. Maybe we can do this little piece on this side of the clamp real quick while the iron's hot. Strike while the iron's hot. All right. Let that cool for a sec. All right, we're heated back up here again. I took the clamp off and it popped up a little bit. I guess if we really cared, we'd fix that, but I don't. So we'll melt some of that off the top and try to make it look better. Yeah. And there we go. So it didn't take long, did it? Kind of give that thing a little repair, a little second lease on life. Okay. Maybe we try to sand that just a little bit. It's not going to sand great, but it might improve it slightly. I think it's a little piece of 220 or something. Again, you're not going to make it perfect. But look at that. Certainly not bad, right? Okay. Now then, let's just set you back out of harm's way. Let's hit it with a little armor all or something, shall we? Okay. Now just rub this in with your fingers, because if you used like a towel, it would absorb all that armor on instead of making it soak into the plastic. That's right. All right, let's let that soak in a minute. All right, we'll give it a minute or so. We'll wipe it off a little. What do you think? Good as used? What do you think of the repairs? Can you, I mean, you can see them, I get it, but hey, that's so much better than it was. Let's stick it on real quick. And there we are, all fixed up. It looks very presentable. It's going to function well. Yeah, looks good, doesn't it? They just look like scuffs now. Autumn Bear, did you look at this? Does it pass your inspection? We have her smile of approval. Right on. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate the comments. And guys, do comment. I'm really getting into answering comments every morning. I don't even care if they're related to the project. If you got a project you're working on, I'm interested to know what you're working on. If you got an unrelated question or related question, I don't really care. I am looking at comments every morning, and I am enjoying chatting with you guys. So fire away if you would. Guys, thanks again. Thumbs up on the way out the door. We'll catch you guys on the next video.